Hello, my dear friend. This is Crypto Prime here, and we are with the back best video. Friends, today I want to introduce you again a best AI generation project. Friends, let's start the video. Before starting our video, requesting newcomers on my YouTube channel. This is and subscribe to my channel. And also, this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research before any investment. So friends, today project is a Higgs field AI. You can know that a project is going to blast in the future, and you can see AI video generation is a one evolving insanely fast. And today I am testing a tool that claims to deliver climatic like AI videos directly from your browser. No heavy software, no complicated setups. This is Higgs field AI, and in this video I'll show the exactly how I use it step by step by generate AI videos and whether it's exactly worth your time in 2026. So friends, we are covering in this video a real-time demo on the Higgsfield AI website, also my actual workflow on generation AI videos, and what makes Higgsfield different from other AI video tools, and who this platform is better for. This is the honest review. Friends, Higgsfields is an AI video generation platform designed to help creators and also produce cinematic style videos using affiliate artificial intelligence. It's completely browse based, which is important to mention. Higgsfield does not have any mobile apps, and if you see app on the stores or play stores to be Higgsfield, those are not affiliated. So for everything happens right now, and you can see these images are, you can easily explore here, and you can see the images. You can easily create images and cinematic studio images, create storyboards and solve idea character slides, and everything is here. And also you can generate the AI videos here from create video cinematic studios and edit. You can edit video and click to add Sora to trends, and everything you can find here. You can edit videos and everything you can find in one app. Also you can edit those videos, implements and relights, all styles, everything is here. Characters, if you want to choose a character, you can easily face swap and character swap, and everything is you can find here. And also you can see here the they have the killings, and also they have many more things like Nano Banana. You can see Nano Banana here and easily generate your videos from the Nano Banana Pro here and Evolution ML generator. So friend, first of all we'll tell you the pricing of the Higgsfield. You can easily see the pricing form here, and check these plans. These are the plans for the for agencies and small items. You can easily buy for the 49 dollars from the upgrade plan, and these are 3 seats and per month. So like that you can get 1500 credits per seats, and these are the their more items. And also you can see how more their plans are here, and you can easily team plans are here. You can easily get off some discounts here, and everything you can find from their pricings. Also friend, we will tell you more about how to generate AI video from it. We will tell you and everything in this video. What immediately cost on the intelligent intention, and about the Higgsfield, the film intention approach. Instead of just generating randoms AI clips, Higgsfield focus on the framing, motion, concentricity and visual storytellings, and also cinematic authentics. This makes especially interesting for YouTubers, filmmakers, advertisers and content creators, and AI video enthusiasts. Now let me show the how to actually works. Friends, all right, we'll tell you how to Higgsfield AI and dashboard. First of all, go to the create video. You click on the explore option, and also you can go through the killing. So if you go through the killings, and you can easily generate your video. We have already get a prompt here, and we tell you how you can go through the killings and it generate a video. So these are the one and independent and easily shorts, and you can see the killings here, and you can see killing 2.6 here. If you click on the killings 2.6, you can easily generate your video, get a prompt from chat gpt. We have already generated a prompt, and after that we generated it for 10 seconds, and we have generated a video. Here you can see we have generated a video like a monster or a dragon flying on the mountains, and fire on his mouth. You can see the video. This is 10 seconds, but you can easily create it on your hand. Like that, you can easily create more things. There are magics and happens, and you can input your prompt, define the style. Here you control the visual style. You can also define motions and cinematic feel. This is designed to feel more like direction a scene, not just typing text. It's also, if you enter a prompt here for demo, I'll create simple cinematic styles, and I'll clean safe prompt, avoid violence, and also. So friends, once everything is set, simply generate video. Like that, we have already generated here. What I like here to speed the clarify of the workflow. If it feels streamed, especially compared many complicated AI platforms. Now let's talk about the output of the videos. Feels more film like, smooth motions, and also consistent. Also, you can go through your assistant library. You can easily generate your videos, and those you have generated you can find from here. Also, you can go through your personal option and go through view profile, manage, and join your community. You can easily. Also, they have the assist option. If you want to assist some things, you can easily. One thing many people say is pricing, and everything is here, and you can easily go through their assist option, and FAQ, and what can you do, and how can you create stunning, and how to add promo code. Everything is here, and you can easily explore here. Like that, you can go manage accounts, clicks, promo codes, and enter your codes, and also you can plunge in the applied in the instantly. So friend, it's very easy and very smooth videos you can create from it. And if you want to create another images from here, you can easily go through the create image, and get a image from the get a prompt from the chat gpt or other any app, and you can easily create your from the nano banana, and also from the these generate what ideas. So like that, you can easily go through the intent and cinematic studio. If you go through the cinematic studio, you can easily generate a cinematic studio videos from this hex field. Like that, you can easily check the generate option, upload an image or prompt of the describe the scenes you imagine, and click on the generate option. You can easily create a cinematic video from here. You can see the samples are, and also you can see the mixed media, and you can also explore here the more things like friend. You can also see the van 2.6 here, and if you want to create from the van, you can easily generate the your prompt here, and click on the generate option. When you click on the generate option, you have already a video, and easily click on the inquire option, and the video is generating here, and you can see how to how can a best video generate from here. So friends, I recommend Higfield. If you are a creator looking for cinematic AI video, a filmmaker experimenting with AI workflow, a YouTuber wanting fast visuals, and or you are someone exploring next generation AI video tools in 2026. To be honest, Higfield like where AI video is heating, and more control, more cinematic quality, and less complexity. If you want to explore it yourself, I have added helpful links in the description. if this video helpful for you, must like and hit the button, so you can see everything here. Easily create your account through your email address and a good password, and after that you can go the through the website, and you can go through the Nano Banana, and everything you can find here: edit videos, Nano Banana implements and products placements, and everything you can find in one app, and easily go through the next generation AI app, and generate more videos like cinematics, and also uh, get more images, and like that you can see, you can create your own videos and your own images like that. So friends, I hope if you want to explore yourself, you can easily if this video help you, for don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.